Welcome to my channel Learn Math. In this session, we are going to explain the concepts of zeros of a polynomial, remainder theorem, and another concept, factors of a polynomial. Let's say we have a polynomial p and variable x, then all values of x which makes p of x is equal to 0 are called zeros of that polynomial. All the values of x when inserted in the polynomial and the result is 0, all those values of x will be called zeros of polynomial. Now, how many zeros we have for a polynomial? So, number of zeros depends on order of the polynomial. If we have a polynomial of degree 1, which is a linear polynomial, which can be written as p of x is equal to ax plus b, then number of zeros will be 1. Okay? If we have a quadratic polynomial which is written in the form of p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then we have two zeros for that polynomial. If we have a cubic polynomial which is written in the form of p of x is equal to ax square ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d, then we have three zeros for that polynomial and so on. If we have an order 4 polynomial, the number of zeros will be 4. So for order 1, which are linear polynomials, number of zeros will be 1. For order 2 polynomials, which are quadratic polynomials, number of zeros are 2. For cubic polynomials, which are order 3 polynomials, number of zeros are 3, and so on. Now, let's suppose we have a polynomial x square plus 5x plus 4, which is a polynomial in x, then x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 4 are zeros of this polynomial. So we will find p of minus 1, which is inserting s is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 square plus 5 into minus 1 plus 4. Minus 1 square is 1 plus 5 multiplied with minus 1 is minus 5 plus 4, which is equal to 0. So p of minus 1 is equal to 0. Similarly, if we insert x is equal to minus 4, then we have minus 4 square plus 5 into minus 4 plus 4. Minus 4 square is 16 plus 5 multiplied with minus 4 is minus 20, and we have plus 4, which is equal to 0. 16 plus 4, 20. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. So it means that x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 4. The value of x minus 1 and the value of x minus 4 are zeros of this polynomial. This is a quadratic polynomial which is order 2 polynomial, so we have two number of zeros. Let's consider another polynomial p of x, which is equal to x square plus 3x minus 10. Then there will be two zeros, which are x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 2. So p of minus 5 will be 25. Minus 5 square is 25. 3 multiplied with minus 5 is minus 15 and minus 10. So minus 15 minus 10 minus 25. 25 minus 25 is equal to 0. So minus 5 is 0 of this quadratic equation. Similarly, we can find p of 2 by inserting x is equal to 2. So 2 square is 4 plus 3 into 2 is 6 and minus 10. So plus 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. 10 minus 10 is equal to 0. So this quadratic equation has two roots, minus 5 and 2. Now remainder theorem. Remainder theorem says that if a polynomial p of x is divided by a linear polynomial, which may be x minus a, then remainder of that polynomial will equal to p of a. If we insert, let's say we have polynomial p of x that is divided by a linear polynomial x minus a, then remainder of that polynomial p of x will be p of a, which means that the divisor x minus a, when equated to 0, it will give the value x is equal to a. Now insert a in that polynomial and the resulting value will be remainder of that polynomial. It can easily be understood with the help of an example. So let's consider we have a polynomial p of x, which is a 4-order polynomial, 2x squared plus x cubed minus 8x squared minus 8. If it is divided by x minus 1, this is divided by x minus 1, then what will be the remainder? So first we will equate the divisor x minus 1 is equal to 0, which gives us the value of x is equal to 1. Now we will insert the value of x in that polynomial. So insert x is equal to 1. We have 2 into 1, this is 4, sorry, 1 raised to the power 4 plus 1 cube minus 8 into 1 square minus 8. 2 into 1 raised to the power 4 is 1. 1 raised to the power 3 is 1. 1 raised to square is 1 and minus 8. So we have 2 plus 1 minus 8 minus 8. 2 plus 1 3 minus 8 5 minus 8 minus 13. So remainder of this polynomial will be minus 13. If this polynomial 2x raised to the power 4 plus x cubed minus 8x squared minus 8 is divided by the linear polynomial x minus 1, then remainder will be minus 13. Now the root of this equation is 2. So let's sorry, root no 0 0 of this quadratic equation is 2. So we will find the p of 2 for this equation. 2 into 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to power 3, 8, 2 raised to 2 minus 8. So 2 raised to the power 4 or 2 to 4, 2, 8, 2, 16. 16 multiplied with 2 is 32. plus 2 raised to the power 3 is 8, sorry, minus 8 raised to the power 2 is 4 minus 8. And when this adds up, it will give you 0. Means that 2 x is equal to 2 is the 0 of this polynomial equation. Now, what is factor of a polynomial? If x is equal to a is 0 of a polynomial p of x, then x minus a is equal to 0. We can write that x is equal to a in the form of x minus a is equal to 0 by transferring a from right hand side to left hand side. So this x minus a is now called the factor of a polynomial. That polynomial which will completely divide another polynomial, then the first polynomial will be called factor of the polynomial. Now we have a linear polynomial x minus a that will completely divide a polynomial p of x, then x minus a is factor of that polynomial. Or in other words, we can say that if x minus a is equal to 0 and x is equal to a, value a results in a polynomial to be 0, then that factor x minus a is called factor of the polynomial. X minus a is divisor of a polynomial p of x, then the value of x is obtained to be a if a is inserted in that polynomial p of x, then and p of a by inserting the value polynomial results in 0, then x minus a will be called factor of that polynomial. In the above example, now x is equal to 2, x is equal to 2, 2 reduces the polynomial to 0, it means that x minus 2 is a factor of the polynomial 2x raised to the power 4 plus x cube minus 8x square minus 8. This is easy to understand. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you can be notified when a math problem is solved. Thank you.